What causes timing chain rattle and failure on the Vauxhall Mokka? Some diesel engines develop a timing chain rattle, especially during cold starts or idle. This shows up as a metallic noise, rough idling, and sometimes warning lights. If ignored, the chain can stretch or fail, causing serious engine damage like loss of compression or valve contact. The issue often comes from dirty oil or infrequent oil changes, so regular maintenance is key to preventing it. How can you prevent it? To prevent engine issues, always stick to oil change schedules and use the right oil grade. Listen for unusual sounds like rattling or rough idling. If you notice these, get your engine checked right away to avoid bigger problems. Comment your experience below, or